Just a few days shy now from reopening indoor dining in the green phase, a local restaurant group has installed technological advances for your health. Eyewitness News reporter Julie Dunphy dropped by Kevin's Bar and Restaurant, a Friedman property management location, as she joins us in Kingston live with more. Julie?
Yeah, Nick, restaurants across Luzerne County are working to reopen their indoor dining. But one local group of restaurants, including Kevin's here in Kingston, it actually has installed a safety measure in their HVAC system.
The scariest thing about the indoor spaces is just the air within the buildings and, of course, the surfaces.
Restaurants are preparing to begin indoor dining again as Luzerne County enters the green phase on Friday. Closed for nearly 3 months, Kevin's Bar and Restaurant in Kingston has installed air scrubbers to target contaminants in the air and on surfaces.
Compared to the competition using filters, the filters only work if air goes through the filters.
The technology used in space stations has been modified now for public use. Kevin's Restaurant is one of 6 Friedman property management locations, making this technologically advanced move.
What it does is it actually creates oxidants that go after the contaminants, and not only in the air but also on surfaces.
Bill Kammerer says the health of the restaurant's customers and staff are their top priority when reopening.
The safety and security of the customers and the staff is our #1 concern. So we've taken every precaution possible, from giving the staff temperature monitoring to over sanitizing everything and anything within the restaurant.
Now, another safety measure that Kevin's is taking is actually separating the servers from those who bring you your food and drinks to those who take those used dishes away. Live in Kingston, Julie Dunphy, Eyewitness News.
It'd be so nice to go inside a restaurant and have somebody else do the cooking for a change. Julie, thanks. General Manager says that adding that air scrubber technology to the HVAC system is a long-term plan, and it will be in place if a second wave of the virus should actually happen.